How to crop image to a shape in PowerPoint. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can crop image to a shape in PowerPoint. So if you're also wondering on how to do that, you can follow up this method that we will be showing on our screen and you can do that. So head over to the presentation and you can directly head over to the insert tab from where you can add up a picture from your device. Or you can also browse the image in which you want to apply the shape to. For example, I have selected this image. So once you've selected the image, the next step you need to apply up is, you just need to go to the shapes option in the top and you can select the preferred shape. For now, we are choosing circle and you can make a circle right beside the picture that you want to put the shape to. So you can use a preferred size. After that is done, the next thing you need to apply up is put the shape right above the picture. You can put it like this wherever you want. And once that is done, right click on it and format the shape. And you'll be finding this. So now you can go ahead and make up the transparency a little bit lighter like this. And once you have made it lighter, you can select up the second image, the right background one. After that, crop it out to the circle. So you can just crop it out like this, place it near the circle so that it becomes easier for you to place the image as well. And after that is done, after you have placed the image, cropped it out like this, you need to go ahead and click on the circle again. You can place it right here and make the transparency to 0 again. And after that is done, the next thing is click on the image and cut it out. And after cutting it out, you can find the circle. You can use this circle in order to fill the image. So select this picture option and it will directly add up the picture right here. So after that is done, you can place the image in the middle and you can also change the shape according to yourself if you don't want it by going to this shape format and go to this edit shape option. So that is how you basically make up your image into a circle using this PowerPoint presentation. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.